Have you ever been curious about those $30 certified blue moissanites on Temu? Well, I've ordered one and taken the risk so that you don't have to. The first thing you do when you receive any certified gem is check the certificate. Either contact the gemology lab, or if they have an online system, go straight there, put the number in, and you're well on the way to knowing whether you've been cheated or not. So the next very simple thing anyone with a decent set of calipers and a good scale can do is check the size to weight ratio. So an 8 millimeter moissanite should weigh in the region of about 1.6 carats. Clearly not moissanite, but what does one look for in an actual moissanite? So the first thing is, under the microscope, we look for doubling of the back facets, and you have to be careful that you don't spot reflection and think it is doubling. And a quick simple trick here is to use a polarizing filter, rotate it, and see if the back facets move, which they are not doing here. So this is a better focused picture of our actual Temu gemstone, and this is what it should look like if it were moissanite. And if we use our polarizing filter on a doubly refractive doubling gem, then this is what would look like. So we already know it's not a moissanite, but we can do a few more tests just to confirm what we already suspect the stone to be. Always first a refractive index to see how exactly a gemstone bends light. It's one of the best tools that a gemologist has for accuracy. And this little guy is over the limit. Another tool that we use is the polariscope to see how gems split light. And this one does not blink on and off as you turn it. Sorry for the reflection. And so it is singly refractive and over the limit. This narrows it down to maybe one of three possible options. The most obvious being a cubic zirconia that would have a specific gravity of 5.6 to 6, or yttrium aluminium garnet, or even maybe possibly gadolinium gallium garnet. And so we'll do a quick specific gravity test just to be sure, because, well, really just because I like doing a specific gravity test. So what we do here is we take the weight in air, and we then measure the weight in water, and we subtract the weight in water from the weight in air. And then we divide the weight in air by the weight in water, and that gives us an answer of a specific gravity of 5.6, which is indeed a cubic zirconia, not a moissanite. And our $100 plus gemstone is in fact not a bargain, but a 50-cent piece of junk.